So is actually showing results. Okay. An example is like, I am sick, so I can't come. Then we have because. Because shows reason why something is as it is. Okay. So, for instance, we say that she usually eats at home because she likes cooking. The reason is that she likes cooking. Therefore, she usually eats at home. She doesn't go out, doesn't do, eating outside. Although it shows opposite statement, it's a kind of contrast. Okay. Although is more like but, you can say. An example is, although he speaks seldom, he says meaningful words. Okay, so it's a contrast. It's an opposite statement that he is speaking less, but or although whenever he speaks, that's really something of verb.